Hello fellow rebels and welcome back to the channel for part 3 of the River Blackwater tour. So we're off to Templemichel Castle today and surrounding areas, so let's go.
I think this is it anyway. Find out in a minute. Yeah, I think it is. This does verify that it is Templemichel. Ballantrae Estate, Ballantrae Estate, Templemichel Castle and Holy Well. Oh, there's a Holy Well. Oh, we're going to get some water there. You just get water from my mum the whole time. So I'm going to get some water for the house and for Daddy Joe as well. So, good. We made it.
We're here at Templemichel Castle and it's, I don't know how long of a walk up it is, but it's sort of a nice little place just off the old bridge. I didn't think it was that close. Like I said, didn't look at the map properly, but that's the joy of new adventures. You find new places that you didn't think were in certain places that you pass all the time. So yeah, it's beside the River Blackwater and the River Glendoyne, and it's the Fitzgerald family that built it in the 16th century. Some people think that it's a Knights Templar building, or was used for that, but it's more reminiscent of a 16th century castle. So I'll give you further history there now. We'll just add it there now, and I'll let you know. But for now, have a look at Templemichel Castle. So, what way will we go? I think we'll go around this way first. Those arches there are fairly reminiscent of a lot of churches in Ireland as well, and very reminiscent of them. So we'll have a look over here. I'll have a look on the history. I shall see what buildings, and then we can map it out then and have a proper look. Just squelchy underfoot, but I don't mind that too much. I'm going to actually have a look closer to it, and we'll have a look in here. So they say it's a 5-story rectangular building, and there was a circular flanker. So I think the flanker is in here. I've never heard of it before, but I'm guessing that this is it. Yeah. Look. Oh man, look how fascinating that is. So I have the steps up here onto it. This is awesome. So I'll have a little climb up here. Yeah. So this was built by the Fitzgerald family in the 16th century. Such a pity that these places are left to ruin. Look at the view, I'm sure, when all the trees were down. You can see the River Blackwater a little bit through the trees there as well. Fantastic. Look at this. It's beautiful. This is so cool. Oh, there it is, look. That's much better. Look at the design up the top. There's some ingenuity there. back in the 16th century, you know. Wow, look at that again. All stonework as well. Fantastic. So this is the main castle, okay? So the main castle is this one, the rectangular 5-story, and then with the flanker, which is obviously this piece up here. And then over this side then is another church and with the graveyard. So I'll give you the history on that as well. It's fascinating when you see how these buildings are made and you see the ruins of them, and it's you would love someone to put them back together, but I suppose it'd be really hard to get them back together if there's no plans around or anything like that as well. So many of these places in Ireland, it's a joy to see them, and on the other hand, then it's just a shame that they haven't been looked after as well, you know. But look, that's the way times go, isn't it? You know, that's the way times go. Things are so beautiful back then, and there's only one door left actually. Look, so I would guess this is the original door. It looks like it's a long time since it was made. It's beautiful. Twisted steel. Lovely. This is the church that was built on site as well. So it's next to the castle, just over the wall. And it was built in 1823. And it actually remained in service till 1969. When it had its last service for a funeral of it was Harold Smith, and actually inside in Templemichel Castle as well, the last known reports of it was attacked by Cromwell. So we think that's when the building was actually destroyed, because there's no other information on it. So it could have been Cromwell that destroyed the castle, unfortunately. But like I said, there's a peaceful feeling about that castle. And we're going to go into the church and have a look around the church as well. As you can see, the river Blackwater is out here. And we'll have a look in around the church. So let's take a look inside the church. That's useful. All overgrown as well. There's the arch. You see that in a lot of the churches. Those kind of arch windows with the wooden slats. Again, it's mad to think this mass was taking place in here before. Up till 1969, remember. So, like, it's not that long ago, as in history, especially for the things that we've seen today. It was 4,000 years old. So, 1969 is not that long ago. And look at that, the bell. The bell is not there anymore, but you can see the little wheel that would have brought the bell around, and then you have wooden slats then, and you have pigeons or whatever. Yeah, so that's the inside here. Again, peaceful feeling in here. It's just really, really nice actually. It's mad, look, there's a forest. Nature has taken back over what used to be nature before the church was built on it. So that's very interesting. All the ferns. I'm getting into my gardening, so I know my ferns. So excuse me for that if you're not into gardening, but I am. And yeah, it's mad, isn't it? Nature takes back over at the end. And it's good to have nature taken back over. Oh, there you go. Yeah, so a nice little church, yeah. Great video for me, a great day. I mean, hopefully it's a great video for ye, but I've loved it so much, getting back out doing proper adventures. I haven't done it in so long, and it actually
it fills up the soul, you know. It's really great. Let me know where you go on your adventures, whether it's on the bike, in a car, in a jeep, whatever. Just let me know where your favourite adventures are, or do you like going on adventures in autumn, winter, stuff like that as well. I'll definitely be going on more. Got the taste back, got the motivation, and it's been a really great day. From that view up in Dromore to the Keys to nearly falling off the bike. That was fun. Great skill though, by me. No, but thank God I held it up. I definitely got a good slice of luck. So then to Templemichel Castle Tower, and that flanker looked so cool. And then the church as well. Really peaceful place. Really great day out on the bike, out in Bonnie. We're all happy. I hope you're happy. Until the next time, they should ripple out.